What if you woke up tomorrow and PSTN was gone? No phone line, no voicemail, no lift emergency button, no alarms, no broadband. Customers can't call. Teams can't connect. And your business? Silent. This isn't the future. It's what will happen if you haven't switched from PSTN. Apogee's digital telecoms keep you connected. With cloud-hosted voice systems that scale with your business, built-in fraud protection that monitors every call in real time, and tools like call attendants, hunt groups, and smart routing to keep your team reachable anywhere. No bulky hardware, no manual maintenance, just crystal clear communication backed by 30 years of experience and UK-wide support you can count on. Don't lose a day to disconnection. The PSTN switch-off is coming. Be ready with Apogee Corporation.